Hello guys, today I show you how to make the shadow of the text like this. You see, it's so beautiful how to do so. To do so, you click new here or file here and click new. So which one you want, it's up to you, which one you prefer. So I prefer this one, but I want it to be white, not transparent. And click create. So I wanna change the color. Click here, solid color. I want to change it to be this color. Click OK, and then you write the word with any words you want. Click here, T here, and click on here. So I want to write example. Sorry, like this, and click here. So I want to copy this layer. Right click on this. See here, duplicate layer. Okay. So I want to change this color to be black. Click on it. Control A. Click on it to be black. Okay. Click here. So I want to move it down here. This is black. This is white. Yeah, see, this is white. This is black. And then what to do next? To do next, you select filter here, blur gallery, and select path blur. Convert to smart object. See, it's a little bit change, but you need to click here. Synchron flash. Click here and click. That's all. Yeah. So you can move here. Can move here. See, so beautiful. Click OK. Yes, that's done. I want to change this. It's a little bit. Yeah. I hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe for more. Bye bye.